Swish Dazzles. So guys, I've already done a wholly simple waterproof makeup tutorial and also tips on how to protect your skin and hair while playing Holi. I've also added a few links in the description box of that video on what I would wear while playing Holi and also links to organic colors. You can check that video here. If it doesn't appear here, then please definitely check out the end of the video. I'll put the link there. So today I'm going to do this makeup look right here. It's a fun Holi after party makeup look. This is however not a waterproof makeup because you've already played Holi and now you're just going to chill and have a great time with your family and friends. Drink lots of thandai, have delicious food, and most importantly have a great time. Enjoy yourself. I hope you really like this video and let's get right into it. Hi guys, I'm already done with my base and now I'm going to move on to my eyes. You can check how I do my base in the link given in the description box below. For eyes, I'm going to use this blue Kajal pencil. You can use any blue Kajal pencil you want or any cream product on your eyelids as a base. I don't have the name of the company on this or the name of the brand because my elder sister got it from me and she was in Ohio. I'm going to put it all over my eyelids as a base. Just don't worry about the neatness because we're going to smudge it. I'm going to use a fluffy brush to blend it. I don't have the name of the brand of this brush because I just got it online. You can take any fluffy brush and just blend it. You can also blend it with your fingers. Now I'm going to take this very pretty blue color. You can take any blue color you want and put it all over my eyelids. I'm going to use this flat eyeshadow brush from the Body Shop and I'm going to use this all over my eyelids. My sister got this quad for me too, and also a pink one and a gold one, and the colors are beautiful. And this one, I think the brand is Lids Shatton. I'm not sure if that's the brand name. So you can just take any blue color you want and put it all over your eyelids. Love it. Now I'm going to take this bronzer from Body Shop. It's in the shade Deep Matte and put it in the crease of my eyes. I'm using my Oriflame blending brush. Now I'm going to go in with that blue shade again because I think some of the blue color has come off because of the contouring. And just blend it ever so lightly. Now I'm going to define my eyes by using this Lakme Eyeconic Kajal. It's in the shade Deep Black and I'm going to tight line my eyes. I'm also going to put it on my upper lash line very close to the lashes. I'm going to smudge it. For smudging it, I'm going to use this dome-shaped brush, which I also got online. I don't have the brand name. You can use any dome-shaped brush you want. Now I'm going to put my blue kajal and put it in the inner corners of my lower lash line. Now I'm going to curl my lashes and put on some mascara. The mascara I'm going to use is Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. So I'm done with my eyes. Now I'm going to contour and highlight my face. I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Contour Palette in the shade Medium Deep. And I'm going to use this shade for my contour and this shade for my highlight. For contouring, I'm using my Oriflame blush brush. Now I'm going to clean my blending brush with a wet wipe and use it as my highlight brush. For blush, blush, I'm going to use the same Maybelline Master Contour palette, and I'm going to use this shade. And I'm using my QVS blush brush. Apply very sparingly because the main focus is on the eyes. Lips, I'm going to use my YSL travel kit, and I'm going to use this one and this one, and then top it up with the clear lipstick. You can use any pale pink lipstick you want to use. Finished makeup look. I hope you really liked it. Have fun, have lots of thandai, have delicious food, and just enjoy. So guys, please like, share and subscribe, and when you hit the subscribe button, also click the bell icon beside it so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to check out my other videos. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.